Hi, this is René and I will show you my solution for assignment 1 of the GD50 game development course. So for this assignment we had 4 tasks. The first 2 were about randomizing the interval at which pairs of pipes spawn and randomizing the vertical gap that pairs had. So for this task we go into the play state where I added these 2 new variables, which is new pipes t, which is the time in which a new pipe will be spawned, which starts at 2 seconds, and the pipe gap, which is the vertical gap in pixels, which starts at 120. So for the first variable, we check this in this line. So at the update, we check if it is time to spawn a new pipe, and if it is, we go at this method, which returns a spawn time based on the score that the player has, and also adds a little randomness to that. So then moving on for the second variable, also the second task, which was the vertical gap of the pipes, we go here where we register all our new pipe pairs, and for that we send a new variable to the constructor of pipe pair, which is the newly created variable pipe gap. And for that we come over here to the pipe pair class. Here we can see that we initialize this variable, and also we use it when creating the new pipes for setting the position of the bottom pipe, and that way we control that. So moving on to our third task, it is to award a medal when the player enters the score state. I will show this more in detail in game, but in the score state here we can see I call a new function award medal when the score state is rendered, and here I check the score of the player, and if the player scored at least 5 he will earn a bronze medal, and so on with higher scores. Going on to the last task that we had, which was a fancy pause feature. For this in the main file, here I added a new variable, a new boolean variable called pause. Also a detail of that task was the pause icon, which here I declare it. And on this line in the sounds table I also added a new sound for pause and resume. And for the functionality of the key, on the love key pressed function I added this block of code for toggling between pause and unpause. And finally, on the update, we always check if the game is not paused. If it is paused, it will not update the game. So that, I think that was all of the code. Now I will show you a little demo of the game. So right off when we start, I will pause the game to showcase that functionality. There you can see the icon, the big letters, and also the sound of the pause was played and the music stopped. And it will all go back to normal when I unpause the game, as expected. And now I will play until I get at least 5 in score, and I will fast forward you to the score screen. So this is the score screen. As you can see, we achieved 5 in score, so we got a bronze medal awarded. And I think that's all for my demo. You can try if you get better scores. Thank you.